Hello everyone, 16th April. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page we have state's seat will rise 50% after delimitation, says centre. Then we have Iran says ceasefire is at risk, threatens to close Red Sea traffic. Then we have Chhattisgarh not for setting up panel to prepare UCC draft. Then we have CM Gupta says LPG supply adequate, over 540 raids conducted, 2027 cylinders seized. Moving forward, we have implement menstrual leave policy, Karnataka High Court tells government. Then we have de-link women's quota from census delimitation, says activists. Then we have women's reservation bill will be passed. Then we have Telangana releases caste survey findings. Moving forward, we have what changed in Hungary's election. Then we have why is the Strait of Hormuz critical to global energy flows, again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have beyond consent, how power, legal ambiguities and attitudes enable abuse. Then we have India bloc rejects delimitation move. Then we have uniform civil code will ease tribal identity, won't accept it. Then we have uniform civil code with erase tribal identity, won't accept it. Then we have Bageshwar Dham gets government not to receive foreign funds. Door-to-door visits for census starts in 8 states UTs today. CBSE 10th girls outshine boys. Thiruvananthapuram, Vijayawada are top regions. Then we have illegalities alleged in Sir Dorabji Tata Trust. Then we have West Asia crisis. India export plunge 7.44% in March. Trade gap narrows. Then we have airfares surge more than 40% amid tensions in West Asia. Then we have India laps up most of Venezuelan Russian crude oil. Lastly, we have the world page where we have Xi meets Russian FM as leaders flock to China over West Asia war. Then we have Trump asks China's Xi not to give Iran weapons. Then we have Israeli military strikes south of Beirut amid talks in Washington. Then we have teenager kills 9, wounds 13 in school shooting in Turkey. Lastly, we have Israeli support for Iran, attack slums. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.